Plug the remote safety interlock with the red dot marking on one end into the inner lock socket of the device. Connect one end of the power adapter to the socket and the other end to the power connector on the lower right corner of the back panel. Connect the handle switch connector and the fiber optic connector. Align the handle with the red dot on it with the red dot connector on the device. Insert into the handle switch connector. Remove the protective cap from the fiber optic connector by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the protective cap of the fiber optic connection port of the device. Gently insert the fiber optic connector into the fiber optic port, and tighten it by rotating it clockwise. Save the cap for future use. Coil the optical fiber carefully and do not bend the optical fiber. The diameter of optical fiber coiling should be more than 8 centimeters. Check whether the emergency stop switch pops up. If it is pressed down, turn it clockwise. Small area non-contact head installation. Please note, during the installation, do not touch or contaminate the window. Avoid contamination and scratches of the window. Operators and related personnel, please wear protective glasses in advance to avoid accidental injury to the eyes. Press the power master switch on the right rear side of the device. Click the button on the side of the device to turn on. The power indicator will light up. Enter the password. Initial password is 0000. The device enters the main interface. There are easy mode, custom mode, and protocol mode. Click the Easy Mode button to enter the page. Under Easy Mode, users can only adjust the average power by rotating the knob. The maximum average power is 22 watts. Click the Custom Mode button to enter the page. Under Custom Mode, users can only touch the screen to adjust the parameters, including peak power, frequency, duty cycle, and time. Peak power can be adjusted up to 45 watts. Duty cycle can be adjusted up to 50%. Frequency can be adjusted up to 20 kHz. Time can be adjusted up to 15 minutes. Click the Protocol Mode button to enter the page. There are multiple preset protocols to choose from. First, select the body type, skin color, acute or chronic. Second, select the part to be treated. Third, select the corresponding disease. Finally, a treatment plan will be generated. Under Protocol Mode, all parameters are not adjustable. Click the bottom right corner of the screen to switch to standby. Click the bottom left corner of the screen. You can adjust the brightness of the indicator light. Press the switch on the handle. The handle starts to emit laser. The blue breathing light flashes, accompanied by a beeping warning sound. During treatment, please irradiate a large area first, then perform crisscross irradiation. Treating wound healing. Set the power to 15 watts. Adjust duty cycle to 10%. Set frequency to 100 Hz and time to 15 minutes. Use small non-contact treatment head. sweep the wound area first. Then you can perform a circular or crisscross irradiation. When treating arthritis, the power is set to 30 watts, duty cycle is adjusted to 50%. Set the frequency to 1000 Hz and time to 15 minutes. Use small non-contact treatment head. Irradiate the joint pain area in a large area first. Then it can be irradiated in circular or in crisscross method. For early postoperative intervention, the power is set to 30 watts, duty cycle is adjusted to 10%. The frequency is set to 100 Hz and time is 10 minutes. Use large non-contact treatment head. Sweep the postoperative pain area in a large area first. Then it can be irradiated in a circular or in a crisscross method.